Okay, hello everyone. Alright, so here's how to quickly zoom in and out of a web browser and also reset it to the default size, plus a few more things. So I'm going to type in happy here in Google. We get a bunch of text and some videos and images. So if this is too small for you and you want to make it big, you're making text and images big, hold command and hit the plus. Keep on hitting the plus until you get your right size. Right, so you can scroll, the video becomes big, images become big too. If you want to reduce the size, command minus, keep holding it until you get to however small you want it. You can go as small as you want it. And if you're not sure what the default size is just hold command and hit the number 0 and it resets it. In Firefox, there's a nice feature here. If you go to view and you go to zoom, you could use these, zoom in, zoom out, but you'd have to click on it each time, which can be a pain. So the command plus and command minus is pretty neat, and command 0 as well. If you select zoom text only, this will only zoom in the text, not the videos, not images, just the text when you use the command plus and command minus and command 0. So I'm going to select it temporarily. This is how it looks like once you select it. So view, zoom, you can see that it's selected. And when I go back to the page and I do command plus, notice it's only the text that's being maximized. The video stays the same, the images stay the same as well. I do not think they're being enlarged, so they stay the same. And if I do command minus, notice that the text is the only thing that's being changed. The video stays the same, images stay the same as well. And if you want to reset it back to the default size, command 0 will bring it back. I'm going to go back and change this to not text only, but everything. But yes, that's how to quickly use the keyboard shortcuts to maximize, minimize, and reset the size of what's on the page to its default settings. If you have any questions, please post down below and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you next time in the next video. Alright then, bye bye.